Please, if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to our channel and turn all notifications on so you can receive the latest updates about the videos. Okay, if you haven't got the Windows 10 already on the USB, you just type create Windows 10 USB. It will get you into this link to Microsoft, create installation media, and you choose Windows 10. Then what you're gonna do, create Windows 10 installation media, download tool now. So once the tool is downloaded, okay, you download tool, you run the tool. Let's just minimize everything. Okay, you're just getting a few things ready. What you need to do is get a USB disk, about 16 GB of space. 8 GB can do as well. So you put that on, connect it to your computer, and wait for this to get the things ready and click next. Then it will just go ahead and create the bootable USB Windows 10 for you to do the job. So there we go, accept, and just a few more clicks and that's it. This process can take maybe 10 to 20 minutes to finish, so I'm not gonna stay on this to finish it, but it's very straightforward. You just connect the USB to it. It will format the USB, so if you have anything on the USB, make sure you transfer it into your computer, you know, to save it. If you don't do that, it will, yeah, just delete everything for you. So in here, create installation disk media and press next, and you choose Windows 10. You choose the language. In this case it's UK, United Kingdom English, 64-bit or 32-bit or both formats, 64 bits and 32-bit, and next. So there you go, it needs to be at least 8 GB. Okay, so you click next. So there we go, the USB is connected. Refresh link, that's it, it's got it straight away. Next, and process, that's it. Process is 0%. Now when it gets to 100%, you're done. That's it. Thank you.